geobyte.
Dear students, now let us write the velocity and position of the body in terms of power developed by the system. Okay, for that, look at the important point. An automobile of mass m accelerates starting from rest, while the engine supplies a constant power p. Its position and velocity changes with respect to time, or it is like this. As you know, the power p equal to, as you know, power p equal to force multiplied by velocity. It can be also written as F into V. Okay. As you know, force F equal to what? F equal to mass times the acceleration according to Newton's second law of motion. Force F equal to m into acceleration equal to what? dv by dt. Okay. Let me write that value. Power p equal to m into dv by dt multiplied by v can also be written as power p equal to m into v into dv by dt, or right, it can be also written as power by mass, power by mass into dt is equal to v dv. Okay, let's write another slide. V dv equal to power by mass multiplied by dt. Okay, now upon integration, let us do that part. Here it is v square by 2 is equal to power p by m. Otherwise, let us write another step. Let me write one more step. It can be written as integral v dv equal to power by mass constant integral dt. Okay, it can be written as v square by 2 is equal to power by mass into t plus constant of integration c1. Okay, since the since the automobile engine is starting from rest means at t equal to 0, v equal to 0, then 0 equal to 0 plus c1. From this I can write that c1 equal to 0, c1 equal to 0. Then this can be written as v square by 2 is equal to power by mass times the time, or v square equal to 2 pt by m, or velocity v equal to 2 pt by m power 1 by 2. It is in terms of, that is the velocity in terms of power developed by the automobile engine. Okay, so let's take another slide. V equal to, you got 2 pt by m power 1 by 2. Let me check it. 2 pt by m whole power 1 by 2. As you know, velocity v equal to ds by dt. So from this I can write ds by dt is equal to 2 pt by m whole power 1 by 2 can also be written as ds equal to 2 pt by mass whole power 1 by 2 into dt. Now upon integration, it is written as integral ds is equal to here 2 pt. एक मिनट it can be written as integral 2 pt by m whole power 1 by 2 dt. That can be also written as integral ds equal to 2p by m whole power 1 by 2 right outside p power 1 by 2 dt. You integrate this part, then this gives s equal to 2p by m whole power 1 by 2 integrated p power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1 plus another constant of integration c2. So finally it is s equal to 2p by m whole power 1 by 2 into it is t power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 plus c2. S equal to 2p by m power 1 by 2 2 by 3 into t power 3 by 2 plus c2. Okay, let us take another slide. Here s equal to 2p by m power 1 by 2 2p by m power 1 by 2 into 2 by 3 p power 3 by 2 plus c2. Okay, correct na? Yes, correct. Then right, since initially the automobile is at rest, that is at t equal to 0, s also equal to 0, then I can write that c2 equal to 0. Then distance or position equal to 2p by m power 1 by 2 into 2 by 3 multiplied by t power 3 by 2. You simplify this part for getting, you bring the 2 by 3 to under root, it is 8 p by 9 m, simple mathematics, school level mathematics, power 1 by 2 into t power 3 by 2. So this is the position in terms of power. This is the position in terms of power. Similarly, this is the velocity in terms of power. I hope all of you clearly understood, right? Where p is the power, t is the time, m is the mass of the automobile engine. Let me write that point. Where p equal to power developed by the engine, power developed by engine, automobile engine, m equal to mass of the engine, mass of automobile engine E equal to time taken by automobile engine. I hope all of you clearly understood. Understood or not? Yes.
Geobyte.